I know. It's beautiful. Michael Kors shoulder bag with studded hardware to the front. It's absolutely beautiful. I love it. Okay, so I am a UK 810, about 5'4". It comes with a Michael Kors dust bag, and it is in beautiful grained, soft, scrumptious leather. This is my kind of leather. I love this when it's all soft and scrumptious and squidgy. It's got two shoulder handles. They are nice, thick, flat shoulder handles, part leather, part chain. And on the base, it has got 4 studs. Let's say Michael Kors on them. I don't know if that will focus or not. Okay, so let's open it up. It has got a press stud closure, and then there's 3 sections: the front, the centre, and the back. We'll start at the back. All of it is lined in the Michael Kors pale fabric. So you've got the main section. There is 1 zipped pocket, which is a really good big size pocket, and then there are 2 flat pockets there. The centre section is zipped, okay, and that's a nice big section in there. And then the front section has got 2 flat pockets on the front. I was going to show you, so that's going to show you. I was going to show you the Michael Kors on the zip. If I can work out how to do it, I will show you the Michael Kors on the zip. You wouldn't think I've been doing this and that I'm a professional, would you, for 20 plus years? Okay, I've not been doing videos for 20 plus years, but I've been in this industry for 20 plus years, just to qualify what I've been saying. Okay, we digress. Condition, it's in incredible condition. Okay, so exterior and interior are called very, very good. There's nothing actually wrong with them. They've just got a little bit of sign of wear and tear. So there's the tiniest amount of wear. It won't even show on the camera, on the corners. It's really, really slight. And again, inside, you can just see that it's perhaps been used once or twice, but there's nothing actually wrong with it. But the hardware is in excellent condition, except for the studs on the base. They have got signs of wear, but I've still called the hardware excellent because I think you're always going to have marks on that as soon as it's used once. There is a link to this bag on our website in the comments below. Whilst you're on the website, sign up to our newsletter. We will send you 10% off your first purchase. Also in the comments below is a link to Instagram. Follow us on Instagram and you will get daily updates so that you never miss out on your dream bag.